us over to Newark. 49 minutes is our flight time today. 49 minutes. Ride looks fairly decent for you guys. We're only going about 16,000 feet, so if you're interested in looking around, it's a nice day to do that. Once airborne, we'll talk to you briefly, let you know what the latest weather and information into Newark is. It's our pleasure to be with you. We'd like to thank you for choosing United. Wish you a happy 4th of July. And one more thing, our flight attendants are about to give you the safety briefing, so we do ask for your best attention as they do that. Just a few of you guys back there today, so enjoy the sparse population in the back of the aircraft today. It's kind of a treat sometimes. Thank you.
Lieutenant, I'm doing squawk second way for Oakland. preparation for landing. Please ensure your seatbelts are securely fastened. Your tray tables and seat bags in the upright and locked position. Please return all carry-on items to proper storage location. Also, it's time all large electronic devices must be turned off and stowed away. This also Logan time is approximately 8:57 a.m. We'll be taxiing for a few minutes. Remain seated until the captain has turned off the fasten seatbelt sign and refrain from smoking during the designated smoking area outside the terminal. Before you leave, please check the seat pockets and other storage areas to ensure you have all your belongings. Use cable and open the overhead bins as contents may have shifted during flight. From all 180, we have you chose